Okay, this time we are starting with unusual filming angle, and we have that check. You can see that two of the jaws are out, one are in, and we need to replace this check. So first of all, we'll try to spin it around to release it. Okay, we have no luck, so now I'm trying to spin it and hammer it. Okay, I have no luck by doing this. Okay, now I'm going to cut this ring to get it released. And okay, now I need to get it from the other side, or I can try to stretch it. Of course, maybe I can stretch it and remove it like that. Okay, it will be faster and easier to cut it from the other side. Okay, I got this ring out. Now goes the cover. I need to show you, this is the jaw that is missing, and these two are not greasing properly. What I want to do now, I want to try to push this jaw, so I need to lift everything here, then the jaws can go up and down, and of course the other one can go up. I will make Okay, now we can see that the Allen key is inserted and we even can tighten it. So now I will try to take the check out. Okay, this one is not going out easily. Okay, so we have a small problem here. We cannot take the check out. Can't unscrew it. Okay, so we cannot take it out normally. It's the only one way left for us. Is okay, maybe not one. We have a couple of options. We can heat it, and then to try to unscrew it, we can try to cut it. I don't know if I will get it or not. The angle grinder, it will be a little bit complicated. Okay, so maybe I need to try to heat it and take it out then. And that's all. We have a preset and a check for this drill.